In this episode of I Tried It, I test a side hustle that claims that you can make $5,792 in 1 week using Chat GPT and affiliate marketing. In this video, we're going to talk about the process. I'm going to talk about my results and potentially a better opportunity. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if this is a valid side hustle and a better option. Hello, my name is Usman Sadiq with UsmanSadiq.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, we're going to test this side hustle idea to see if it works. Now, I actually got this idea from a viewer, so I appreciate it. If you want me to test other side hustles, just reply with the link and I'll watch the video and I'll give it a go. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and give you a brief overview of what this video claims to do. This video says that you are going to use Chat GPT, which is a software that I've talked about earlier this week and last week, to help write content for you. You are going to then take that article and you are going to put it in Medium and you're going to put it in Quora. Let me talk about the process and what I did. So one of the things that you need to do with this process is you need to go out and do a little bit of keyword research. If we take a look at the screen here, I used a keyword research tool called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. The tool that he recommends is free. It doesn't matter. So what he says is you go out and you type in your niche in the search bar and then you find something that's low competition. For this example, I changed the keyword difficulty to 20 or less, hit apply and show results. And I wound up writing an article on affiliate marketing for Reddit. If we take a look here, this has a competition of 9, so it's relatively easy, or should be easy to rank for, and a search volume of 500. So basically what that means is this keyword is searched 500 times per month. The next step is you go over to Chat GPT, you ask Chat GPT to write a headline for your blog post and then an outline. I'm not going to show you that for the purposes of this video. I don't want to waste any of your time, but I went ahead and did that. And then I went out and found an affiliate program for affiliate marketing. The affiliate program that I found was John Crestani's course over on ClickBank. The affiliate program doesn't really matter. I just want to let you know the affiliate program that I use. So with that out of the way, I went ahead, I did Chat GPT. It's a really quick process because you basically will just ask Chat GPT a question. It's going to give you a bunch of information and then you're just going to copy and paste it in various places. Now, before we talk about my results, I do have a few questions about the original video. In the original video, I looked at his Medium account and according to his video, he used the Medium username Usman Sadiq. So I'm just going to fast forward this. He used the account Usman Sadiq, okay? And I apologize if I butchered that name, but the reason why that's important is because I wanted to search and actually look up the video. As you can see here, it says draft in Usman Sadiq. I'm just going to pause that so you can see it. I wanted to look at the article. And when I go over to Medium, I type in Usman Sadiq, and I can't find that article anywhere. So I actually can't find that person anywhere because if we look at the video, this person actually has an icon or an avatar. If we look up Usman Sadiq over in Medium, I don't find this person. And I also didn't find the article that he created. So that's a little curious, we'll say. Okay. And in this video, the original video, he doesn't really say how he made the money. He doesn't talk about the affiliate program he used. He doesn't talk about the number of views or really anything. So it left a lot to be desired, but I gave it a try anyway because I try and help where I can. So with that red flag, Usman Sadiq, nowhere to be found on Medium, I went ahead and I wrote the article. I grabbed my affiliate link for John Crestani's course. I put it in the article and I posted both to Quora as well as Medium. Now, before I reveal my results, how do you think I did? I posted this about probably about 17, 18 hours ago. While you may think that's quick, I've been able to rank blog posts in 12 hours. If you look at my website, UsmanSadiq.com, I have a number of blogs that were ranked within 12 hours. It is entirely possible if you are writing unique work. So let's talk about how I did. How do you think I did? Before I reveal my results, how do you think I did? Okay. So now that you have posted that, let's talk about how I did. First and foremost, with Quora. If we look at my Quora account, my post has been deleted. Within 8 minutes of me submitting this post, as you can see here with the screenshot, my post was deleted. Within 8 minutes, I got this message. I'll put a link to the post and you'll see that it's been deleted. It's been deleted because it's a violation of Quora's terms of service. Look at this. Your post has been deleted as it was found to be a violation of our spam policy. To learn more about Quora's policy, click here. Now, there are probably a few different reasons why it was deleted. The reason why I know that it was deleted is because I just put an affiliate link in my post, okay? I've told this story before. I'll tell it again. My first $130 with affiliate marketing was actually with Bluehost and Quora. I watched a YouTube video from a large guru, and he said, go join Bluehost affiliate program and go answer a bunch of questions on Quora. So I kind of knew this wasn't going to work, spoiler alert. But I did that and I answered a bunch of questions. And I put my affiliate link right in my post. Those questions, those answers that I posted actually were taken down within, I would say, 20 minutes to an hour of me posting because Quora doesn't allow affiliate links. Okay. If you are going to do this method, I'm going to give you a suggestion on how to do this method better. If you're going to do this method, do not put affiliate links in your post. Do not put affiliate links in your answers because it's a violation of terms of service on Quora. I've said this before and I'll say it again. Before you just do anything a person on YouTube suggests that you do, make sure that you are looking at the terms of service to make sure that you are compliant. Make sure that you are reading through and not just doing whatever people tell you to do because it could be a violation. Do your own research because you want to be thorough. All right. So that is Quora. Quora, my post got deleted within 8 minutes. With Medium, if we take a look, now Medium's rules are a little confusing. If we just search affiliate marketing, okay, so here we are. So it says you must disclose affiliate links, such as link out to Amazon with your code or any other link where you will receive a commission or other value are allowed. So you can put affiliate links in Medium, but you must disclose somewhere in the post that it includes affiliate links. If you have received payment, goods or services, or something else of value in exchange for writing a post. So you have to say that you're an affiliate in this bullet point, but the bullet point after it, multi-level or affiliate marketing content is not allowed, which is kind of contradictory. In general, I recommend if you're going to start a blog, just start a blog with Bluehost, GoDaddy, HostGator. You won't have to worry about these confusing mixed messages. You'll be able to build a sustainable base of operations. In my opinion, that's a much better way. We also could fall into the spam category. I'm not going to read that, but you should be aware. So let's take a look at my stats for my Medium post. I uploaded it, like I said, 12 to 15 hours ago. At this point, I do have 2 views within the last 30 days. However, it's on a post that I made in 2021. I have no views for this post, and you can see the post here. How to leverage Reddit's communities for affiliate marketing success. And no views. No one's viewed it, no comments. Now, I can check back in a few weeks to see if this has changed, but in reality, guys, in my opinion, this will not work as the original YouTuber said it will. There are ways to make this work, but the original video makes things appear to be much easier than they really are. So let's talk about how to actually make this work. If you want to use Chat GPT to answer questions on Quora, you could do it. So for example, let's type in affiliate marketing. Oops, we'll spell some words correctly here. Affiliate marketing. Click search. You are then going to sort by questions. Then I recommend that you sort by questions within the past week. These are new questions. Should be less competitive. So as you can see here, someone asked, is affiliate marketing good? Now pay attention because this is important. We're going to click on this and we are going to answer the question. Now we could answer the question using Chat GPT. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but what I do want you to do is I want you to, instead of sending people to an affiliate link, send people to a landing page, a bridge page, a YouTube video, or a blog post. Those are approved by Quora. Sending people directly to affiliate links is not. Ultimately, if you're going to use Chat GPT to write blog posts, you should be putting those blog posts on your website. Don't put them on Quora because you're making Quora rich and you're getting pennies. But you could do it this way. You could answer questions, and I'm pretty sure that's what this person is doing. You could answer questions and send people to a landing page. Offer, like this guy, it says, get free affiliate marketing training with instant access to the 6-figure affiliate bootcamp. This is probably going to a landing page of some sort. Okay, he's actually sending them to Flynn is actually sending them to his post, and then probably within his post somewhere, he probably has a link out to a landing page. This is a much better way to do it. You don't want to send people out to affiliate links because it's a violation of the terms of service. In fact, this guy just keeps sending people to other blog posts. I would probably send people to a landing page, offer them a free ebook, a free training, offer a free YouTube video so that they can learn. This is actually how I was able to grow my YouTube channel in the very beginning. I went and just answered questions. Now, on this one, this is like a backup shadowy Quora where I test different things. If we look at your content and stats, you can see I have 1,320 views. I have a comment recently. I'm not sure what that's about, but yes. So the original video, as currently constructed, will not help you make money. What will help you make money, if you want to use Quora, answer the questions, but send people to a Quora approved platform, which is a landing page or bridge page, your blog or website, or a YouTube video. Okay, that's the right way to do affiliate marketing. If you don't do it that way, you're going to run into some issues. Now that you know that this side hustle or the side hustle video doesn't work, click the first link in the description for free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners are going to help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can earn more commissions and make sales. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.